Coming up on this program, we show you how to get connected. Find out how to choose an internet service provider. Discover the newest form of communication, electronic mail.
Ways down and ready to ride. One by one, billion by billion, they're holding up half the sky. Raise your hand if you're ready and willing, if you know it's time. Time for a girl on time. Time for a girl on time. Time for
What's for dinner, John? What are you checking on? Hi, everybody. I hope everybody is good. I'm sorry your names are still messed up. Wondering if I was okay. Or Vicky. Also, condolences to Bill before I begin. Seriously, thoughts and prayers out to him. Yeah, tell me what's for dinner, though. I would love to hear what you had for dinner. If you didn't like what you had for dinner, tell me what you wish you had for dinner, because I haven't had dinner yet. I am a private chef to myself, and tonight I can make whatever I want. Bill's mother passed away this morning. So, our thoughts and prayers are with Bill, and his family. We love you, Bill. You had your big turkey dinner, Thanksgiving dinner earlier this evening? Did I time travel? I thought that was on Thursday. Is that Thursday? I don't know. Anyways, do tell me what you guys had for dinner. I would love to hear about it. I am super hungry. It's been a hell of a long day. It's actually been an exceedingly long month, even though it's a short month. Exceedingly long. Anyways, perhaps December will bode better for us. I don't know, but welcome to Court Watchers Anonymous. I understand. Thursday was ribs and delayed because of schedule. I love that. Love that. Hi, Billy. Adam's here. I love it, love it, love it. You guys, you're a dedicated pie eater. I love that. A raw toast mayo sandwich and ramen noodles. Loretta, I caught your subscription with my boobs. Thanks for subscribing. Anyways, I am going to crack open this Rockstar because I literally haven't eaten or drank much of anything today. And then we'll get going. We're going to watch us some first appearances. Woo! First appearances. Okay. Travel by Flue Powder. Diddly-dee potatoes. You came for the palm trees? Oh my god. I have been promised palm trees for months. Years. I gotta go to Florida to get them. Actually, that's not true. There are palm trees across the street from me growing because, humble brag, I live in a part of Canada which is very south. Anyways, Paul's here. Mac the Knife. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Anyways, let's get started so that I can... Oh my god, you guys. I'm almost ready to introduce you to my sourdough starter. She is doing well. I have named her. Perhaps my previous names were too much. You know, maybe they were too much. But I want to introduce, maybe today's not the day. Maybe tomorrow we'll introduce the sourdough starter. I think
Let
the first...
me know.
Ma'am. That tone of voice, by the way, isn't good. Anyways, I need to go back because Oh no, interpreter. That's exactly what I was trying to avoid, ma'am. Ma'am. Yeah, you know what? This was the wrong one. This was the wrong one. No. Oh my god. Oh, this lady's an interpreter too, but I think that there's some at the end. Oh my goodness. Look at all these people. Oh my gosh. Here we go. Here we go. There we go. Tom's in his car. He's driving very far. Let's go.
Um avocat pour vous.
Luck to you, sir. All right, I'm done. Thank you. He can go.
Ok, on met aller. Juste là, je merci, on met aller.
Thank you.
Okay, and Badani is next.
Told you.
She told him. Who's next?
Yana, you said, what was the name again?
Badani.
Batani?
Uh-huh. B-A-D-A-N-I. Badani.
Ronnie's in the chat, but Donnie to the
Your Honor,
podium.
is the Creole interpreter excused?
Yes, he is. I told him.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
That's sort of cool. It was a
Your Honor,
Creole interpretation.
may I be dismissed?
Yes, thank you.
Thank you very much.
And Your Honor, after you do the inmate, we have 5 disciplinary inmates down. Can we get them? I can wait right after you finish with the prison.
That's fine. Yes,
Thank-
ma'am.
All right.
Hey, Judge, I'm here.
All righty. Good morning. Good afternoon now. Please state your name.
Now, Judge, I'm Tom Barton. I'm representing Mr. Badani. We don't have any Wi-Fi at the office, so I hopped in the car and I'm in my garage to get Wi-Fi to do this. I sent my paralegal over. She's hand filed an entry of appearance. She just did that a little while ago. They should have transmitted that to you, but I put her in the car, made her go over there. So we
Okay.
do have an entry file, Judge, to the extent
All right.
you want to hear. I represent Mr. Badani. He's 38 years old, Indian male, green card status, charged with he owned a Texaco gas station. The cops were scouting it out, and they ran the gambling machines, and they got some cash payouts instead of merchandise. It was $5 and $10. There were some THC products for sale in the store that, according to the warrants, exceeded the 3.3% THC limit. Mr. Badani sold the store on November 10th. Those are all going to be issues for later on. But, you know, when they stock the store, they just buy stuff from a distributor and put it in the store. So I'm not sure, you know, from a proof standpoint what's going to happen. But that's the allegation right now, is that there was some items in the store for sale that were in excess of the 0.3 hemp statute. Judge, pretty common problem these days. But Judge, we
Okay.
just asked for, he's married and has no prior record that I'm aware of. Of course, I don't get the access with my bar license to the NCIC, but I don't believe he has any prior record. And we would just ask for a reasonable bond, Judge.
All right, let me very quickly check his criminal history. And that's Miller. No, that's
Badani, B-A-D-A-N-I.
Badani.
The new owners of the store were also arrested on this and taken into custody. I'm not sure. They don't seem to be on here today, but at some point they probably came through.
He was arrested yesterday.
He turned in. There was a warrant that was issued last week. The warrants, I think, were actually signed by the judge on the 19th of November. And then, of course, he found out about all this and contacted me, and we checked around, got a copy of the warrants, I guess on Friday and then, or Thursday, and advised him to, you know, go ahead and turn himself in. So he did last night. And that's why we're on the calendar here this morning, Judge.
It's 90. I hate looking for a criminal history. It drives me nuts.
Oh, me too, Judge.
Let's
Ugh.
see. Hold
Absolutely the
on.
fucking worst.
He's
Imagine
got an
having a
immigration
criminal
lawyer and
history
has
so
green
long.
card status. That sort of tells me that, he's probably doesn't have any history or anything significant. They wouldn't have given him a green card otherwise.
Is this video gonna get demonetized?
Mhm.
Judge is a slow reader. That's fine. That's fine. Aw, thank you, Adam.
You know, I
Appreciate
looked
that.
at it and I don't. Oh, I put it on his form. No criminal
Oh.
history.
Okay, great. Right. That's
Okay.
good. Good news.
All right. And so, tell you what you say he sold it.
Yeah, he sold the business on November 10th. I've got the contracts here in my file. The new owners were on the premises when they raided it. They got taken into custody, but the investigation had apparently gone on for a while, even maybe before the 10th. There are no dates in the warrants, so I don't know if it was before, during, or after the sale of the business. We'll figure that out later. I just want to let you know that this wasn't some, sale of marijuana between two people in a drug deal. This is a store owner, who's supplying his store with products that he gets from a distributor. The issue later on will be whether he knew or should have known that the level of THC in some of these products are apparently over the hemp limit. We'll just have to figure that out later on.
All right. So keeping
I
a place
prefer
of gambling,
my
that bond is set
marijuana
at
products to be over
3,000.
the hemp
Commercial
limit.
gambling, 5,000. Violation of Georgia VGCSA, 1,000. Gambling, 1,000. His total bond is $12,000.
Thank you, Judge.
And so, Mr.
Georgia.
Badati, stay in contact with your attorney. He provided, trust me, your bond was not that amount before Mr. Barton started speaking. So I have made some adjustments to the bond that I set. Again, your bond is 12,000. Your preliminary hearing, in case you don't bond out immediately, is going to be December the 29th. I will not appoint an attorney to you. Once you're out on bond, you cannot violate any laws while you're out on bond. You have any questions, sir? No?
Judge,
Okay.
I don't. I don't know about
think
Mr.
that
Badani. I don't
Mikey
see him on here, but I could be. There he is.
Yeah, there he is. Yeah. All right. Good luck to you,
His
Mr. Madani.
his microphone is muted. So,
Okay.
Mr. Badani, I will call you, or call me when you get out. Thank you, Judge. That's all we
Good
have.
luck to you, but thank you. All right. And so who do we need to handle deputy next?
the live chase
Your Honor,
judge, but I'm not about
I know
to
you
do
put his
that.
paperwork. Well, that's okay. Go ahead.
Not
Move.
with a 10-foot pole.
You're
I
gonna
begged
do the
and begged to
prison.
be the
We'll
West Coast
waiting
correspondent.
after that one.
All right. And so, I don't think we even have, did you send me the prisoner paperwork, Yate?
What was the name of the prisoner again? Tell him your name.
Lamarcus McGill,
Gill, Gill?
McGill.
Oh, McGill.
Okay.
And what was the first name?
Lamarcus.
What did he say?
Lamarcus, Lamarcus.
LaMarcus. Okay. All right. Well, deputy, we're not quite ready for him just yet. Can we go ahead and get the people or a female something? Cause I gotta be gone at 1.
Yes, ma'am. We're gonna do the discipline inmates first. We're gonna do Hill, Brian Hill.
Mr. Hill, hold on. Mr. Hill, okay.
Christopher McMullen.
Okay.
Chases have been absolute shit lately, haven't they?
The next one is going to be Christopher Arnold.
Christopher Arnold, okay.
Ron Blair,
Blair, okay.
Octavius Harp, Harp.
Octavius. You said with the A?
No, ma'am, Harp.
Park, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can get them up, bring them up.
Yes,
Let me,
yes,
let me
ma'am.
grab the,
You want one at a time or you want all of them?
just bring them all, but I'll just call them out one at a time.
Yeah, that's exactly
Hill.
my idea too. I'll take them all at once, but let me set the pace, if you understand what I'm saying. Nasty. Love it.
First, Yana.
Okay, Hill first, all right, let's see.
Not young people. Not young. No.
All right, Mr. Hill, you are charged with affray and riot in a penal institution. The affray is $1,000, the riot is $10,000 for a total bond of $11,000, and you must not violate any laws once you once bond is made. Your preliminary hearing is scheduled for December the 29th at 8:30 a.m. And I am also appointing an attorney to you. Good luck to you, sir. Who do we have next?
Next, McMullen.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I'm Mac Miller, man.
You are McMillan. McMillan? Okay. Christopher McMillan, you are charged with the affray. That bond is set at 1,000. Riot, that bond is denied. Aggravated assault, that bond is denied. I've set your preliminary hearing date for December the 29th at 8:30 a.m. But 8:30 a.m. today's. I'm also appointing an attorney to you. Good luck to you, sir.
On YouTube, can I? Are there videos titled that on YouTube?
Come on.
Next inmate, stand up. Hello. Next inmate. Good afternoon.
What's your name?
Foster Hill.
Hill?
Now Foster Hill.
All right. Gazazarus Hill? No, that's Ellis, I'm sorry.
Your Honor, last name Foster.
Foster.
Who back? Foster Hill.
Okay, Foster. All right, you're charged with the affray. That bond is set at 1,000. Riot, that bond is denied. I've set your preliminary hearing date for December the 29th at 8:30 a.m. And I've also appointed an attorney to you. Good luck to you, sir.
No, thank you. Stay right there. I'm gonna take you.
Hello.
What's your name?
Hello,
Blair. I have
Lisa
attorney,
Smith.
Render as my attorney, but he's gonna, leave right now.
Okay, yes, I know Mr. Render.
Good luck for him.
So,
Good
but
luck
what I
for
do is
that.
I'm gonna appoint one for now. And then once he comes, he'll just, he knows what to do.
He knows what
All
to
right,
do.
you're charged
Oh
with
my
the
God, I
affray.
love
Are you Roy Blair?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you charged with the affray? That bond is 1,000. Riot, that bond is denied. I've set your preliminary hearing date for December the 29th at 8:30 a.m. And I've also appointing an attorney to you. Good luck to you, sir.
Thanks.
You should tell you, go sit down real quick. I have another one coming. What you mean? He's in there for free.
Arnold is still in there.
Fine.
Arnold is still in there.
Sir, let me see the step inside first.
Yeah, get Arnold.
All right, guys, come on, come on, come on.
Yeah.
Come on, come on, come on. We don't have all
You got to be
day.
down by 1 o'clock. That's what she said.
I love it. The first 6 are charged with rioting in the penal institution. Not penile. Penal. Different.
What's your name, sir? I can't hear you.
Christopher Arnold?
Arnold?
Christopher Arnold? Yeah.
Let them go. Let them. Go
All right,
ahead.
Mr. Arnold, you're charged with the freight. That bond is 1,000, riot. That bond is denied. I've set your preliminary hearing for December the 29th at 8:30 a.m. and I've also appointed an attorney to you. Good luck to you, sir.
Alright. Back the computer up this time.
Hey, put him back there.
You gotta do it. You gotta go to them.
You can go.
Give me your name and get a second, go back.
Oh my god, there's a guy in a wheelchair?
Your name?
Is this the guy
Oh.
they beat up?
State your name.
Porter.
What's the name?
Travis Porter.
Porter?
Doing it too.
Jordan, what's on, man?
Ain't he medical? John is medical too, ain't he?
I don't know.
He is. Might as well see him.
Well, these are medical boys.
And Jordan.
Them medical boys is already gone.
So they right here.
Probably your name.
All right, Mr. Porter.
Go back.
Porter, you are charged with kidnapping. That bond is set at 5,000. Aggravated assault, no bond. Cruelty to children, 5,000. Criminal trespass, 5,000. Possession of a weapon during a crime, 6,000. Your preliminary hearing is scheduled for December the 29th at 8:30 a.m. and I am appointing an attorney to you. Good luck to you, sir.
Yikes.
Let's go, sir.
Go ahead, go ahead.
Sorry, to the door.
Yikes, yikes, yikes.
What's your name?
You know that was, come on.
What is it?
Jabbar
Jones?
Donor.
What is he saying?
Jabbar
Saying joiner.
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 All right, Mr. Joyner, your charge is simple assault. That bond is set at 3,000. Battery, 4,000. Criminal
did?
damage, 3,000, for a total bond of $10,000. You must stay away from Michelle Walls, and you may not return to the 9579 Brown Road in Jonesboro. And you must not violate any laws if you make bond. I've set your preliminary hearing date for December the 29th. But if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. Good luck to you, sir. Your bond is $10,000.
Your Honor, does he have a court-appointed attorney?
Yes, I appointed him as an attorney.
Come on, y'all.
All right, Your Honor, we're gonna start with the females. That's all of the disciplinary and medical also.
Okay, you want to start with the females now? All right, hold on.
Take
You have
6
two
men, then do
pages.
some
How you wanna do
females.
that? You wanna go with the first page first, or you wanna flip to the second? one?
Talking to me?
Yes, ma'am.
Let me get Miss Andrea Baker. I don't know which one that's on. But
Yeah.
no, who is that? Who is that in front of me?
Mrs. Baker,
Okay, Ms. Baker, you're charged with simple battery. I've set that bond at 5,000. You must stay away from Zanaya Sanders, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I've set your preliminary hearing date for December 30th at 8:30 a.m. If you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. And it appears that you qualify for a court-appointed attorney, so I have appointed an attorney to you. Good luck to you, ma'am. Your name?
Hilda Callahan.
Callahan, you're charged with battery. That bond is set at 2,000. Criminal trespass, 2,000. Disorderly conduct, 1,500, for a total bond of $5,500. You must stay away from Regina Thompson, and you may not return to the Spot Liquor Store at 4866 Jonesboro Road in Forest Park, and you must
go to
not
the
violate any
Spot.
laws while you're out on bond. I've set your preliminary hearing date for December the 30th at 8:30 a.m. And I am going to appoint an attorney to you. Good luck to you, ma'am.
75.
See her court appointed form, but I will get it. And what's your name?
Alicia Hydra.
All right, Ms. Hadra. I'm missing something. Hadra, there you are. Yeah. All right, Ms. Hopper, you're charged with giving false name. That bond is set at 1,500, obstruction 1,000, for a total bond of $2,500. And you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I've set your preliminary hearing date for December the 30th at 8:30 a.m. But if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. And I've also appointed an attorney to you. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Oh, sorry. Next person.
Hey, ma'am.
Name?
Samara Kendrick.
You said Kendrick?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Ms. Kendrick, you're charged with disruption of a public school. That bond is set at 3,000, disorderly conduct.
Disruption of a public school. Can we get the body cam video from that, please? John, thank you so much. You said to tell me hi, in quotes. I'm just joking. What happened with the chase? What happened? They've all died lately. The chases, that is. But hopefully another goodie will kick off. It's only 6:45 here on the West Coast. People just getting off work. We gotta work long hours.
2,500, simple assault 3,000. Your bond is $8,500, and you must not have any contact with the school official Rebecca Butchman, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I'm setting your preliminary hearing date for September the 30th at 8:30 a.m. And I've also appointed an attorney to you. Your bond is $8,500. Good luck to you, ma'am.
What did you say the court was?
It's December the 30th.
Okay.
That is the day before. The day
What's your name?
before New Year's Eve.
Greer?
Oh my God, ma'am. Give some eye contact. How rude. How rude.
All right, Ms. Greer, you're charged with battery. That bond is set at 8,000. You must stay away from Miss Winter and Serenity Hill. And you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I've set your preliminary hearing date for December 30th at 8:30 a.m. And I've also appointed an attorney to you. Good luck to you, ma'am. What's your name?
Samantha Landero.
All right, you're charged with simple battery. That bond is set at $1,000. You may not have any contact with Alicio Gomez, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I've set your preliminary hearing date for December 30th, but if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. And I've also appointed an attorney to you. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Adam.
Yes, it's fine.
I'm a lobster gal. I love lobster. I'm gonna have to look at the store and see when I can get some lobster on sale.
What's your name?
Lanaya Jackson.
My name
Ms.
is
Jackson.
No. You know.
All right, Ms. Jackson, you are charged with battery, family violence. How old are you, Ms. Jackson?
I'm 18.
Are you still in school?
Yes, ma'am.
You're not where you want to be, are you? You don't want to be there, do you?
No, ma'am. I'm actually I graduated next year. No, ma'am.
Huh?
No, ma'am.
I'm not gonna take you out the house since you're a minor, but you can't have any violent contact with your mom. If the police are called again, they're gonna come out and you're gonna be held without a bond. You understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
First name is Delio.
I'm gonna set your bond at $1,000. Not gonna punish your parents. And, your bond is set at $1,000. No violent or harassing contact with your mother, or you're gonna be back. And I'm also going to appoint an attorney to you. Good luck to you, ma'am.
I loved Waffle House when I was visiting America. So much food.
What's
for
your name?
So little money.
Love Middlebrooks.
Ms. Middlebrooks, you're charged with battery. Everybody is so violent here. My
Everybody's so
goodness.
violent.
Battery,
today.
family.
Everybody is fucking violent. They really fucking are, though. Seriously, every single person here. Could somebody steal something? Seriously. Embezzlement, maybe? At a little, a little something? Not just smacking everybody? Please.
What's your name?
Chantel Love Middlebrooks.
Ms. Middlebrooks, you're charged with battery. Everybody is so violent here. My goodness. Battery, family, you're charged with battery. Your bond is set at 2,000. Criminal trespass, 2,000. Cruelty to children, 1,000. Your bond is set at 5,000. You may not have any contact with Juanita Dunlap or Mario Payne. I've set your preliminary hearing date for December 30th. But if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. And I am gonna appoint an attorney to you. Good luck to you, ma'am. What's your name?
Savannah Pollard.
Holly, H with a H?
Yes, ma'am.
I thought you were a male. I don't
Everybody's
I
so
don't see that.
violent.
Just
What's
put her
her
back for a
name?
minute. I don't see her paperwork.
Yeah, I don't see her on the calendar.
Brother?
Yes. Give her name on there.
Now, she's not on either one of the calendars.
Yes, yeah.
She's an imposter.
first
Get her
one.
out. I mean, lock her in.
I'm looking at it. There is no Holly on it. It goes from Holt. The only H's is Holt, Horton, and Hudson from yesterday. And from today, the only H.
Flower.
Plowden, Savannah, as in Savannah, Georgia, and Plowden.
Loudon. I thought you said, okay, I didn't.
I thought you was asking if my name had an H at the end. Cause they confused Savannah.
See.
Also, explaining Savannah, Georgia to me isn't very helpful, but I guess in Georgia that is.
With a P as in Paul, right?
Ma'am.
You know what I'm really craving is Vietnamese food. Hot soup.
Or just still hold
yummy
her.
Noodles.
I know I saw that name.
Ma'am,
Hold it for a
hot
minute.
soup, yummy noodles, crunchy
That first
vegetables.
page, Your Honor,
Yes.
she is like 1, 2, 3, 4. She the fourth person on it, on the end, on that last page.
Please. On what page?
The first page,
West Coast,
which
Ryan.
is start off with Anderson,
Canadian.
and she's on that last page, and she the fourth one down.
Okay, well, I'm gonna have to get it. So just hold her tight real
Yeah.
quick for me. Let me keep
You can move on.
going.
She good.
Hold her tight.
I have it right here. I'm sorry. I have it. I found it. Ms. Plowden, you're charged with battery. That bond is set at 3,000. Criminal trespass, I dismissed that charge, and the aggravated
But Your
assault.
Honor, she's not there, Your Honor. She's not there.
Okay.
Bring on. Here she come, Your Honor.
Another person beating somebody. What the fuck?
Is that Ms. Plowden? All right, Ms.
Things
Plowden,
I've
you're
done,
charged with
Ryan.
battery. That bond is set at 3,000. Criminal trespass, I dismissed that charge. Aggravated assault, that bond is set at 5,000. You cannot have any violent or harassing contact with Donnie Lamar Mandigoat. Is that your boyfriend or husband?
That's my ex.
That's your who?
My ex. My
Except
ex.
he,
Do y'all
you
live
crying,
together?
girl. You weren't crying before when she was telling you other shit when you were misspelling your name. You couldn't spell your fucking name. And now she said his name and you're weeping. You can say X all you want, girl, but I don't believe that yet. No. No. I'm sorry.
No.
Oh, okay. All right, you can't have any violent, well, so y'all have kids together? All right, so no violent or harassing contact. And I'm going to appoint an attorney to you. And so your bond is 8,000. Your preliminary hearing is December the 29th. But if you bond out, you don't have to worry about appearing for that, okay?
So much, Your Honor.
All righty, good luck to you, ma'am. Your name?
Oh my god, she's
Nicole
crying.
Roberts.
Who's crying? I'm not crying. Look at my cute hairband, by the way. I got a scrunchie. Actually, I got 3 scrunchies, but 2 of them are green, so I can't wear them on screen. But they are so cute. One is tinsel. Yes.
Roberts?
Yeah.
And I bought them with my own
All right, Ms.
money.
Roberts, you are charged with simple battery. That bond is set at $2,000. You must stay away from Marcus Williams, and you may not return to 6880 Terra Boulevard in Jonesboro, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. Do you understand the charges and the special conditions of your bond? You say yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Your preliminary hearing date is December 30th, but if you bond out, you don't have to worry about appearing, and I've also appointed an attorney to you. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Step up.
Hey, tell them to be quiet.
I said, did you find that paperwork yet?
But who's from
Stand by. I sent
Iowa?
an email, Your Honor. Hold on.
I've never
Says
been to
that we need
Iowa,
to
but I would like
cancel
to go to
him.
Iowa.
They did not get fingerprinted. That's why we don't have the paperwork. Ms. Hemmings, did you hear that?
No.
Yes, ma'am, I just heard that. So he has another hearing on Wednesday. Is that canceled as well?
Yeah, it says 24th and 26th. Yes, it is canceled.
Okay, all right. Thank you so much. We'll log off.
Thank you.
And we'll send out the, once we get the information, we'll get the logins over.
All right. What's your name, ma'am?
Penny Simmons.
What is it?
Penny Simmons.
Simmons?
What is that first name, you guys? We gotta figure that out. I'm not trying to make fun. I just want to know. What did she say? Topanga? She didn't. What did she say? Listen carefully. I need everybody else's ears.
Penny Simmons.
What is it?
Penny Simmons.
Simmons? All right, Ms. Simmons, you're charged with battery, family violence. A bond is set at 2,000, public drunk 1,000, for a total bond of 3,000. You can't have any contact with Brittany Stroger, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. Your preliminary hearing is December 30th. But again, if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. Let me see if I'm appointing an attorney to you. You employed, ma'am?
Yes.
How much do you earn per month? Again?
Probably like 1,000. I'm not sure.
How old are you?
25.
You what? Fuck off. What are you talking about? Did she just say $1,000? How much are you working? What are you doing? I have questions. Hold on. Also, is her name real? Did they check that?
Again?
Probably like 1,000. I'm not sure.
How old are you?
25.
You work.
Yes, I work at UPS.
You make more than $1,000 a month.
I'm not sure how much I make.
Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and appoint an attorney to you. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Dan, step up. When one move, the other step up.
That is wild. How do you not know? I mean, was that her being stupid? I'm being serious now. I'm being really serious. How do you work somewhere like UPS? She didn't say she was part-time. She's like, I just don't know how much I make. Well, if you can use your card all the time and buy most of the things that you want and you don't really look at the price of things, then you get paid a lot more than $1,000. That's all I can say. Otherwise, she's lying, but why would you lie about something so verifiable?
Jamea Thompson Mitchell.
All right, Ms. Thompson Mitchell.
Lock her up harder. More. More. Hi, Courtney. Baby. What's the weather like? It's cold today. I'm cold.
Here it is. Everything
comes with a price. What do you mean? The $1,000?
Ms. Thompson, well, you're charged with DUI. That bond is set at 3,000, obstruction,
DUI.
1,000.
Finally, somebody wasn't beating somebody else, but drunk driving isn't any better. Mikey, thank you for visiting. We love it when you come by with your check mark, looking so fly. I hope you're feeling better. Yeah, I do. Anyways, everything can come with a price. But you know what? If you're a bargain hunter, you can get a pretty good deal on certain things. Most things. Anyways. Courtney, don't admit those things.
And 3 counts of the erratic lane change. Each one of those are 500 each for a total bond of $6,500. And you must not violate any laws once you make bond. I've set your preliminary hearing date for December the 30th at 8:30 a.m. And I've also appointed an attorney to you. Good luck to you now. What's your name?
Breath.
Berlinda St. Julian.
You say Tinsley?
No, Berlinda St. Julian.
Tinsley?
I don't understand what she's saying. Okay, I have you. All right, you're charged with battery, family violence. That bond is set at $2,500. You must stay away from rants, Sims. And you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond.
You said how much it
Your
is?
preliminary hearing date. Your preliminary hearing date is scheduled for December the 30th, but if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that.
So you tell me how much it is again?
2,500.
Going so fast.
Let me find your court appointed sheet.
Everybody but one, the DUI lady with erratic lane change, but everybody else has been battery.
All right, and I'm also going to appoint an attorney to you. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Judge also wanted to be out of here, by the way.
What's your name?
Jonetta Tinsley.
Tinsley. This is Tinsley.
Say that again.
Jonetta Tinsley.
Tinsley? All right, Ms. Tinsley, you're charged with criminal trespass. That bond is set at 3,000. You must stay away from LeVar Tinsley, and you may not return to 1466 Enchanted Forest Drive in Connolly, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. Do you understand your charges and the special conditions of your bond?
Your Honor, I don't have anywhere else to go. That is my husband. LeVar.
You both reside there, right?
Yes,
Well,
ma'am.
that tends to be how husbands and wives work, Judge. But it can be other than that. Sounds like they get a little bit of a quick exit, if you will. She says.
I would look at your criminal history, but hold on.
But I hate paperwork, so I'm probably not gonna bother.
Yes, Tinsley.
I have my own room. I'm a big girl. Oh, you need a new lawnmower? Why? Of all the things I've never bought, a lawnmower is one of them, I think. Yours is broken.
Tinsley.
This judge. Earlier, she was rushing everybody else. They cost a shit ton, really?
Got some history, but it looks like a lot of it was older. And
No parlez-vous français?
do y'all have minor children?
Not minor.
Who all resides in the house?
Our two sons, they're college students, and myself.
I'm gonna take a chance on you, Ms. Tinsley. I'm gonna put no violent or harassing contact.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You know
If
what?
the
When you
police
take
are
a
called
chance,
out again,
sometimes
you're gonna be held without
Judge,
bond, understand?
Judge, no, wait. I just want to say, sometimes when you take a chance, it turns out to be the best thing that ever happened. So, you better hear her, Miss Tinsley.
Thank you, Your Honor.
But if the police are called out again, you're gonna be held without bond, understand?
Understood.
So, bond. I'm going to take out the no return. Right. Your preliminary, your bond is set at 3,000. Your preliminary hearing is December 30th, but if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that.
Make sure. We'll be back straight here.
I am going to appoint an attorney to you. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you.
You gotta walk them off.
What's your name?
Jasmine Underwood.
Ms. Underwood?
Good morning.
I mean, when I tell you, everybody is just all this violence. Everybody's solving issues with violence. All right, so you're charged with battery. That bond is set at 4,000. You must stay away from Stacy Walker, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. Are you employed, Ms. Underwood?
No, I'm not.
Why not? Why not?
Oh, because my mental health.
All right, I'm setting your preliminary hearing date for December 30th at 8:30 a.m. But if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Yikes. I just got an email. I gotta look at it.
Your name?
Wilson, Donald Wilson.
Wilson? All right, Ms. Wilson, you're charged with criminal damage to property. That bond is set at 2,000. Actually, you got 2 counts. Your bond is set at 2,000 on each count. You must stay away from Sonaga, Wilson, and you must.
He's my
I'm
husband.
sorry?
He's my husband, and that is both our vehicle. The vehicle that was damaged, it's in both our names.
Doesn't matter. I'm not saying anything about a vehicle. I'm telling you, you can't have any contact with him. Do y'all reside together?
Not anymore.
All right, so,
Your Honor, Master Speaker.
huh?
When she said I have keys, I have my own set of keys. That's the second charge, a set of keys. The second charge on there is a set of keys. I have my own keys. He has his own keys.
The door opens out, man. Stand up there, or so something to say.
Oh my god, I'm so fucking cold.
I mean, you got like the 6, right?
You said defender got out of the vehicle and took the keys
No, I have my own keys, Your Honor.
and refused to cooperate.
No. He's a very evil person. He's very evil.
Oh, I can only go by what's on here. Let me,
And he was sleeping with me every night, didn't even tell me a warrant was out on me.
y'all allow people to put y'all in these situations. He been the same evil person he's always been.
Yes. He has attacked me plenty of times.
I'm sure, but you still calling him. It said you called him.
Oh my God, ma'am. We always call until you're
I don't know
done.
your prime
You gotta be
minister at.
done.
Your Honor, it is 1 o'clock.
Own set of keys.
Your Honor,
To
it's
the
1
vehicle.
o'clock. You gotta get the
And,
fuck
and
out of
I
here.
still have them. And
Well, I
lock,
can't deal with that today, but what I will do, I'll take, the second countdown to 1,000. So instead of a $4,000 bond, you have a $3,000 bond. How about that?
okay,
And you can't have any contact with him. Your preliminary hearing is December 30th at 8:30 a.m. But if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that.
okay, thank you.
Hold on, trying to see if I'm appointing an attorney to you. And I am going to appoint an attorney to you. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Made
Your
in
name?
the car, John.
Lakeisha
Made in the
Williams.
car.
All right, Ms. Williams.
I never ran into that issue.
All of them are exhausted. They were fighting last night. All of these people were in fights last night,
So
and
you're
they're all
charged with
now.
speeding. That bond is set at 1,000. Failure to have on your headlights, 500. Improper lane change, 500. License violation, 500. DUI, 3,000. Open container, 500, for a total bond of $6,000. And you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I've set your preliminary hearing date for December the 30th at 8:30 a.m. But if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. And I've also appointed an attorney to you. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Your Honor, that's the last of the females. You wanna start with your male?
Now, what about Frederica Miller?
Frederica! Frederica! I'm so loud in person, by the way. In case you didn't know that. Loud and annoying.
You said
Okay, well, whoever you have next.
Frederica, she's the
Uh-huh.
male.
Oh, it's a male.
Yes.
Okay. All right.
All right, we starting with your male.
All right. Let's roll.
Let's fucking roll, Judge. Let's roll.
Okay.
Derek Anderson. You got a regular second.
All right, Mr. Anderson, you're charged with cruelty to children. That charge is dismissed. Simple battery, 1,000. No violent or harassing contact with Janae Furman. So your bond is 1,000. No contact with Janae Furman. Your preliminary hearing, you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. Your preliminary hearing is scheduled for December 30th, but if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. And I'm also appointing an attorney to you. Good luck to you, sir.
Are all these guys gonna be charged with battery as well? So just a reminder, in the state of Georgia, if you fight with a child in the house, that is a cruelty to children charge. They don't even have to witness it, just in the house at the same time. In the state of Georgia, that itself is a cruelty to children charge.
Wait a minute, hold on. All right, what's your name, sir?
Deontay Archer.
All right, Mr. Archer, if you could bring Richmond too, they got the same charge. They were together.
Yes, ma'am.
Y'all be
Richmond.
fucking up together.
Bring Richmond.
Look at him look. He's like, shit, boy.
I'm sorry, Your Honor, for calling that out loud like that.
Tell me what?
I was sorry, I called it out loud like that.
Oh, I ain't even paying no attention.
Oh.
Did I
All
miss
right,
something?
so, are you Mr. Archer, right? Let me go ahead and do you. You're charged with entering an auto. You look like a baby. Your bond is set at 8,000, obstruction 2,000. Your total bond is
Did she just interject, you look like a baby? In the middle of this? Did I create that in my head because I'm hungry and I've only had Rockstar?
Mr. Archer, right? Let me go ahead and do you. You're charged with entering an auto. You look like a baby. Your bond is set at 8,000, obstruction 2,000. Your total bond is $10,000. You must stay away from Nathaniel Duncan, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I've set your preliminary hearing date for December the 29th, and I've also appointed an attorney to you. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
All right. All right, so Ms. Richmond, you have the same charges, entering auto and obstruction. The entering auto is 8,000, obstruction 2,000. Your total bond is 10,000. You must stay away from Nathaniel Duncan. Your preliminary hearing is December the 29th at 8:30 a.m. But if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. How old are you, sir?
25.
How?
5.
25?
Yes.
That's a rough
Are you
25.
employed?
Yes.
Okay, all righty. So, your bond is $10,000. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
What's your name?
Last name B-A-H.
All right, Mr. Ball, you're charged with criminal trespass. That bond is set at 3,000, obstruction 1,000 for a total bond of $4,000. You may not return to the airport unless you're holding a valid airline ticket. Your preliminary hearing is December the 30th at 8:30 a.m. But if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. And it appears that you do not qualify for a court-appointed attorney, so I cannot appoint one. Good luck to you, sir. What's your name?
Isaiah, Stephen Bivens.
Mr. Bivens, you're charged with simple battery. That bond is set at 1,000. You must stay away from Jakirla Butler, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. Your preliminary hearing is scheduled for December 30th, but if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that.
Can I get a oil bond or finish bond? My ex before.
Again?
Wow.
Who is this who is the victim? Who is your stepson?
Ma'am,
Who is the victim? Who is Jakirla Butler?
my girl.
It's your girlfriend? And the allegation is that you put a bar of soap in her mouth?
No, all I did was soap on my 2 fingers because of zip. That's all I did.
I'm sorry, fucking what? Oh my god. What? What?
And the allegation is that you put a bar of soap in her mouth?
No, all I did was soap on my 2 fingers because of zip. That's all I did. It wasn't no
I
bars.
say you don't run real old school.
Yes, man. That's all I did. I didn't do no harm or nothing like that.
Okay, so the best I can do is the 1,000. Bivens, here you go. You're actually on, well, I guess you're not on probation. It says suspended sentence. So, but I cannot do a signature bond. Your bond is 1,000, sir. Good luck to you.
That's strange. That was strange.
What's your name?
Alex Buffington.
All right, Mr. Buffington, you're charged with battery. That bond is set at 2,000. that by taking 1,000, so your total bond is 3,000, you must stay away from Amy Chorn, and you may not return to 10791 Sanderling Lane, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I've set that preliminary hearing date for December the December the 30th, but if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. And I've also appointed an attorney to you. Good luck to you, sir. Again, 3,000.
Thank you.
All right.
Sir, what was your last name?
Buffington.
Thank you.
What's your name?
Ruben Burnett.
Mr. Burnett, I can't see your face. You're charged with criminal trespass. That bond is set at 2,000, battery 1,500, obstruction 1,000, for a total bond of $4,500. You may not return to 332 Martha Street in Forest Park, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond.
Is it 4,500?
4,500, and I've also appointed an attorney to you. Good luck to you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Let's go. Let's go.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Your Honor, what did you say his preliminary hearing date is?
It's the 29th.
Okay.
What's your name, sir?
Cazares Ellis.
Clemente?
Cazares is my first name.
What's your last name?
Ellis.
All right, Mr. Ellis, you're charged with violation of Georgia Controlled Substance. That bond is set at 5,000. Possession of marijuana over an ounce, 3,000. Violation of Georgia Controlled Substance, 3,000. Drug-related item, 1,000. Possession of a firearm, 6,000. Your total bond is $18,000, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I've set your preliminary hearing date for December the 29th at 8:30 a.m., and I've also appointed an attorney to you. Good luck to you, sir.
Wait, let's, next person step up.
What's your name?
Corey Illinois.
What's the last name?
Illinois.
With a O?
FLOURNOY.
Okay.
Your Honor, I show him out the bond.
For Noy?
Yeah, I don't have him.
I am out on bond. I have a hold in Henry County. So I'm
Oh, okay. All right. Well, we don't need him. Thank you, sir.
Okay, you can go back to you. Let's step up, next person.
What's your name?
John Green.
All right, Mr. Green, you're charged with criminal trespass. That bond is set at $2,500. You may not have any violent or harassing contact with Carly Green. If you do, police are called out again. You're gonna be held without bond. You understand that? Your preliminary hearing date is scheduled for December 30th, but if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. And it appears that you do not qualify at this time for a court-appointed attorney, so I cannot appoint one. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Octavius?
What's your name?
Octavius Hart.
And Mr. Hart, you're charged with simple battery. That bond is set at 3,000. You must stay away from Shanice Wilson, and you may not return to 11147 Aaliyah Drive in Hampton, and you must not violate any laws once you make bond. Your preliminary hearing is December 30th at 8:30 a.m. And you do not qualify for a court-appointed attorney, so I cannot appoint one. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
That bond again was 3,000.
All right. Thank you.
What's your name?
You
All right, Mr. Harrison, you're charged with criminal trespass. That bond is set at 5,000. You may not have any contact with Nalani Kemp, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I've set your preliminary hearing date for December the 30th at 8:30 a.m., and I've also appointed an attorney to you. Good luck to you, sir. Your name?
Horton.
All right, Mr. Horton, you're charged with hit and run. That bond is set at 2,000, fade to yield 500, driving on suspended license 1,500 for a total bond of $4,000. and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I've set your preliminary hearing date for December the 30th at 8:30 a.m. and I've also appointed an attorney to you. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. What's your name? Hudson, you're charged with battery family violence. That bond is set at 6,000. You must stay away from Melania Hudson, and you may not return to 642 North Law Street in Morrow, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I've set your preliminary hearing date for December the 30th at 8:30 a.m., and I've also appointed an attorney to you. Good luck to you, sir.
She's cruising now. She's like, I gotta get out of here. And I'm like, yeah, I thought this was an hour video, Judge. No, it's not. It's longer than that. But we're in it deep now. We're in deep. And
You
we just
sandwich
have
him?
to accept that.
What's your name?
Tonio Jackson.
Excuse me?
Tonio Jackson.
Ooh.
Oh, Mr. Jackson, you're charged with battery family violence. Your battery is set at 5,000. Your simple battery is set at 2,500. Your total bond is $7,500. You may not have any contact with Ms. Jackson, Jamina Jackson, and you may not return to that 1625 Conley Road, and that's in Conley, Georgia. Your preliminary hearing is December 30th at 8:30 a.m. And I have appointed an attorney to you. Good luck to you, sir. What's your name?
James.
All right, Mr. James, you're charged with public indecency. I've set that bond at $500. Oh, you can't be peeing in public.
Yes, ma'am. So I got.
Don't be peeing in public. Oh, now I have
I've
to
set
pee.
your preliminary hearing date for December the 30th, but if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. And I've also appointed an attorney to you. Good luck to you, sir. What's your name?
Gianno Jenkins.
All right, Mr. Jenkins, you're charged with criminal attempt. Your bond is denied. You're currently on probation out of Fulton County for aggravated assault. But I'm going to set your preliminary hearing down for December the 29th at 8:30 a.m.
I appreciate you.
And I'm also appointing an attorney to you. Good luck to you, sir.
How you doing?
1 second. What's your name? I'm
Bernard,
doing well. What's your name?
Bernard Jones.
Am I fucked up? Why
Okay,
are
you're
none of
charged
the
with criminal
names being
trespass.
said?
That bond is set at 1,000, obstruction 1,000, disorderly conduct 1,500 for a total bond of $3,500. You gotta stay away from that Texaco, okay? You can't go back to that Texaco at 4962 Jonesboro Road. I've set your preliminary hearing date for December the 30th, but if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. And I'm also appointing an attorney to you. Good luck to you, sir. To there. What's your name?
Lee Bondage.
Mr. Lundy?
Bondage?
All right, Mr. Lundy, you're charged with terroristic threats. That bond is set at 3,000, battery 3,000. Your total bond is 6,000. You must stay away from Reginald Matthews, and you may not return to the 2103 Shawnee Drive, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. Your preliminary hearing is December
Bondage.
the 30th, and I have appointed an attorney to you. Good luck to you, sir. What's your name?
Martinez. Just set it up for me. Appreciate it.
Martinez, Mr. Martinez, you're charged with hit and run. That bond is set at 5,000. Improper lane change, 1,000. Your total bond is $6,000. You must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I've set your preliminary hearing date for December the 30th at 8:30 a.m. and I've given you counsel. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
All right. What's your name?
Miller.
Miller Frederica? All right, you're charged with criminal trespass. That bond is set at 2,000. You cannot go back to that Economy Hotel on 241 Falcon Drive in Forest Park, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. Your preliminary hearing date is December the 30th, and I've also appointed an attorney to you. Good luck to you. What's your name?
Antonio Morales.
Mr. Morales, you're charged with public drunk. That bond is set at 1,000. You must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I've set your preliminary hearing date for December the 30th at 8:30 a.m. But if you bond out, you don't have to appear. And I'm also going to appoint an attorney to you. Good luck to you, sir. What's your name?
Matthew Mauer.
Mr. Mauer, you're charged with aggravated assault. That bond is denied. Possession of a weapon. That bond is denied. Burglary, 5,000. VGCSA, 2,000. You must stay away at any point when you get a bond from Samuel Rivers, and you can't go back to that American Atlanta Inn. I've set your preliminary hearing date for December the 29th at 8:30 a.m. And I've also appointed an attorney to you. Good luck to you, sir.
Does that say 18 minutes left? Can we make it 18 minutes? I have to go to the bathroom. You'll have to hang out
Yeah,
by
you going.
yourselves for a
Hey, what's your
minute.
name?
Elijah Owens.
Say that again. Owens?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Ms. Owens, you're charged with reckless driving. That bond is set at 1,000. Speeding, 1,000. Window tint, 500. Defective equipment, 500, for a total bond of $3,000. And you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I've set your preliminary hearing date for December the 30th, and I'm also appointing an attorney to you. Good luck to you, sir. What's your name?
Charles Pittman.
Mr. Pittman. All right, Mr. Pittman, you're charged with DUI. That bond, excuse me, is set at 5,000. Violation of Georgia Controlled Substance, 2,000. Drug-related object, 1,000. And I have dismissed the trafficking. So your total bond is $8,000.
Thank
Your
you.
preliminary hearing is scheduled for December the 29th at 8:30 a.m. And I've appointed an attorney to you. Good luck to you. Actually, I'm sorry, you do not qualify for a court-appointed attorney.
Okay, thank you.
Good luck to you, sir.
Good luck on your own there, Flounder.
Hello.
I need my other blanket.
All right, state your name.
Khalil Primus.
Mr. Primus, you're charged with DUI. That bond is set at 4,000. Reckless conduct, 1,000. Impeding traffic, 500. Open container, 500, for a total bond of $6,000. And you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I've set that preliminary hearing date for December the 30th at 8:30 a.m. And I have appointed an attorney to you. Good luck to you, sir.
Y'all have a good day.
You as well. What's your name?
Robertson.
All right, Mr. Robertson, you're charged with criminal trespass. That bond is set at 1,000. You may not have any harassing or violent contact with Mashandra Penn. If you do, you're going to be rearrested and you will be held without bond. Your preliminary hearing is December the 30th at 8:30 a.m. And I have appointed an attorney to you. Good luck to you, sir. Your bond is 1,000.
Thank you.
Yes.
What's your name?
Salgado.
All right, so you're charged with criminal damage in the second degree, your bond is set at $6,000. You have to stay away from Garcia Portela, and you may not return to that 412 Springside Drive in Forest Park. And you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I've set your preliminary hearing date for September the 29th at 8:30 a.m. And I've also appointed an attorney to you. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
That was $6,000.
Did you see those tattoos went up to his ears? I have tiny little ears and
Your
tiny
name?
little hands. And they're strong.
Mr. Shivers, you're charged with aggravated battery. That bond is denied. Robbery, $5,000. Obstruction, $3,000. I've set your preliminary hearing date for December the 29th at 8:30 a.m. And I've also appointed an attorney to you. Good luck to you, sir.
Okay, one. There we go.
Nope.
Nope. Bitch, no. Move,
What's your name?
bitch.
Juanish Nelson.
All right, Mrs. Nelson, you're charged with theft by shoplifting. That bond is set at $1,500. Obstruction, $1,000 for a total bond of $2,500. May not return to that incident location, which is 132 Forest Parkway.
What store? A Walmart? A Target?
That's in Forest Park, of course. And you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I've set your preliminary hearing date for December the 30th, but if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. And I have appointed an attorney to you, so your bond is $2,500. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
What's your name?
Wayne Taylor.
All right, Mr. Taylor, you're charged with obstruction. That bond set at $2,000, criminal trespass, $2,000 for a total bond of $4,000. You must stay away from Alicia Warren, and you may not return to 5205 Flemish Court in College Park, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. Your preliminary hearing date is December 30th, and I have appointed an attorney to you. Good luck to you, sir.
That's my wife and we live together.
Sorry,
Like that don't mean nothing.
That means nothing. You committed a violent act while you were there, so we have to take you out of the house so that it won't continue. Good luck to you, sir.
Don't give them. And she's recorded. All right.
What's your name?
Michael Thomas.
Are those tattoos on his face? They must be.
One second.
I want food to eat for dinner right now so bad. But I can't even think of what to eat. All I can think of is fucking lobster. Thanks, Adam. Thanks, Adam, for providing me with the most unrealistic, delicious
You just cannot
idea.
stay out of trouble.
Hold on deck. Let me stand up.
All right, so possession of marijuana more than an ounce, that bond is set at $4,000. Possession with the intent, $3,000. Another violation of Georgia Controlled Substance, $3,000. Possession of a weapon, $8,000. Drug-related items, $1,000, for a total bond of $17,000. You must not violate any laws while you're out on bond, although you have. And I am appointing, are you able to bond out?
Yes, ma'am, I should be able to.
Maybe I'll have to.
All
do
right, because you
breakfast
don't
for dinner.
qualify for a court-appointed attorney.
And can you tell me how much was the bond one time, please?
17,000.
$17,000.
All right, so, you don't qualify for a court-appointed attorney, so I can't appoint one. So it's 17,000 is your bond. Good luck to you, sis. Stop coming in here. Stop.
I'm
Just
not,
do right.
I am, but I did have one more question. Do I have any, like restrictions this time? with my, like,
No,
all right,
this
thank you.
is, this is number drugs. And actually, I don't want you to possess a weapon. I'm sorry. I'm glad you asked that. You may not possess a weapon.
I'm in town. Everybody knows you're.
All right, thank you, man.
Get your life together, sir. I don't want to see you back.
I promise you won't.
All right, I'm gonna hold you to it. Go ahead.
But you wouldn't even say anything.
All righty, go ahead. What's your name? What's your name?
Listen,
Ulysses?
George A. Ulysses.
All right, you're charged with neglect of an elderly. That bond is set at 5,000, criminal trespass 5,000, exploitation of an elderly person 6,000, neglect 5,000. Your total bond is $21,000. You must stay away from Kihidi, Kapoyi, Atafa, and you may not return to 182 Hosa Court in Riverdale, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I've set your preliminary hearing date for December the 29th at 8:30 a.m. and I'm appointing an attorney to you. Good luck to you, sir.
What's his name? Thanks, man.
What's your name?
Joseph Vidal.
Mr. Vidal, you're charged with speeding. That bond is set at 1,000, DUI 3,000 for a total bond of $4,000.
Yes.
Your preliminary hearing is December the 30th at 8:30 a.m. But if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. And I've appointed you an attorney. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yes, they just didn't take it back. That's crazy. So we finish this now.
That's crazy. That's crazy.
Mr. Wildman, Mr. Whiteman.
Section 5.
All right, you're charged with criminal trespass. That bond is set at $4,000. You cannot go back to plexiglass at 7178 Highway 85 in Riverdale, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I've set your preliminary hearing for December 30th, and I've also appointed an attorney to you. Good luck to you, sir. Your bond is $4,000. All right.
All right.
All right. All right, all right, all right.
Who's next?
William.
Mr. Williams, you're charged with battery. Your bond is set at $4,000. You cannot have any contact with Thomasina Walls, and you may not return to 461 Old Dixie Highway in Forest Park, and you must not violate any laws once you make bond. Do you understand your charges and the special conditions of your bond?
I do.
Your preliminary hearing is December 30th, but if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that, and I have appointed an attorney to you. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you, man.
There you go. He was polite. All right, all right, all right. Oh my gosh, sir. He looks like a deer in headlights. Maybe like a dumb deer.
Your name?
Ebenezer Clemente Valentin.
Clemente.
No, hold on. Did he just say Ebenezer? Something? Hold on. What? What the fuck happened with the names today? I shit you not. Like, I've never been so confused.
Your name?
Ebenezer Clemente Valentin.
Clemente. You're charged, man, Mr. Clemente, you are charged with rape. Your bond is denied. Kidnapping, your bond is denied. False imprisonment, your bond is denied. I've set your preliminary hearing date for December the 29th at 8:30 a.m. and I've also appointed an attorney to you. Good luck to you, sir.
All right, Judge, we have one fugitive.
Oh, thank you,
All right,
Jesus
so wait,
Christ.
I'm missing a whole.
Thank you, Jesus. Oh, first of all, bury that one. Put him under. I'm glad that everybody heard that. Right? Ugh. I knew there was something fucking off about that one. It's in the eyes. It's in the eyes, allegedly. Anyways, here we go. We'll finish it up with a game. The game is this. This hearing is in Clayton County, Georgia, and that means that this person is a fugitive from another state. Which state is it? Go ahead, get your guesses in the chat. We don't know what we're working with, but we got a guess now. I am guessing South Dakota. That is my guess. That's the one. Get your guesses in. We're gonna. Oh, Idaho on the mind. Kentucky, Florida, Arkansas, Texas. It's always Texas, Adam says. John is gambling. No, I'm just joking. John, what's your guess? Get it in. I'm going to hit play. She might not say it right away. Once we hear where they're from, we're actually going to leave because it's boring. They always get extradited. It's how it goes. Oh, Wyoming. Good guess, Loretta. I like that. I like it like that. Okay. Canada. Courtney. Always giving me a chuckle. All right.
A bunch of people. What about Qantas?
Qantas?
Damn it, Judge. What are you doing? You're ruining my night.
Is he bonded out?
I said 5 minutes. I thought it was like 30 seconds.
Yeah, he's not on our
I've
calendar,
now been
man.
working for
Yeah, I
12
have
hours.
his warrants and everything. Goodness. I'm not gonna be able to wait on him. So, I may
Just
just
like a
send over
Qantas flight.
the
Can't wait on
paperwork
it.
so if he can bond out, and I may have to see him later. So just hold him. I mean, just hold, I'll continue this one.
Okay.
Okay, and does anybody else, Your Honor?
And what about Cornelius Pipes?
Cornelius Pipes is out smoking a pipe in his
But you
tweed
said pipes
coat.
or hypes?
P is in Paul, Pipes, Pipes.
I don't know either.
It shows not active, Your Honor.
Ma'am, he's not active.
Well,
So
neither am I
I'm,
technically, but that doesn't mean you shouldn't
I'm gonna
go to
continue
court.
that one. When you said, what does that mean?
I can check for you about a half a second, if you can give me a second.
Okay. And then, okay, so I guess that's it.
Okay, I have one fugitive for you, ma'am.
Yes, we have the fugitive. All right, you can bring him.
All right, here we go. Here we
And
go
they
now.
wanted, oh, it's a felony from, wait,
From. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Your Honor, I show Pipes as not active as well.
okay. Okay, I'm not sure.
That mean
He
he's
was
not in the
placed on
jail?
Calendar.
Actually, I'm probably pretty active. Today I've done 19,770 steps so far. And I still have to make dinner.
Yeah, if you could do a continuous on Qantas. All right, Mr. Holt, this is what we call an extradition hearing. A fugitive warrant has been issued for your arrest. You do not have charges pending here in Clayton County. You have been brought before this court because you have charges pending in the state of Florida. And they are asking that you are returned to answer to these charges.
Florida! Was that Vicky that got it? I'm scrolling, it was Vicky P. She got it, joy, joy, joy. Yay, Vicky, good job, you got it. Florida, who would have guessed? Not me. Guess what? He's gonna get extradited, it's how it goes. Woohoo! Anyways. Thanks so much for being here tonight, you guys. I really appreciate it. I love all of you, and I appreciate each and every one of you for putting up with me. I really do. I want you guys to come back tomorrow because we're gonna do it again. Members only and a Monday show. So, Bill, that's okay. You were probably watching football. Anyways, do me a favor, remember that I love you, and I'm proud of you, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, bye. Tomorrow. Bye.
Ways down and ready to ride.